Hello guys, are you thirsty? I'm looking for good drinks. Much better milk. What's happened this one? Sanitizer's milk. Oh my gosh, I want this. Maybe this one. Oh, I see. I need to find it again outside. Let's go. Yan. In the fresh milk and something, another one. I'm looking for this is so spicy. I want gardenia. This one maybe I need more drinks. What I choose to do this for this one. I am thinking Del Monte, but it's not necessary because it's spicy. Maybe I like this one. Okay. Find this one, so I will pay it to the counter. Let's go. Let's pay it to the counter. Let's find this. I'm so thirsty, and wow, it's more chocolates here. Look at that, so many chocolates. Oh, so yummy chocolates. This is one C2 and fresh milk, and one very spicy, and gardenia black forest. That's all.